Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is all about fixing the annoying 0xc0000409 unknown software exception error in Windows. If this error pops up on your screen and you're not sure what to do, don't worry. I will walk you through step-by-step solutions to get your system back to normal. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what this error means. This error usually happens because of corrupted system files, driver issues, or even problems with certain Windows updates. It can cause programs to crash unexpectedly or stop you from launching apps altogether. So let's go over some simple and effective ways to fix it. Method 1. Let's start by running a system file checker scan. Search for CMD. Right-click Run as Administrator. Now in the command prompt window, type SFC/scan and press Enter. This will scan your system for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. It might take a few minutes, so just let it finish without interrupting it. Once the scan completes, if it finds any problems, it will attempt to fix them. Restart your computer after the scan and check if the error still appears. If that didn't fix it, no worries, move on to method 2. Run a DISM scan. Again, open command prompt as administrator, type the following command. DISM/online/cleanup/image/restore health and press enter. This tool goes a bit deeper than SFC and can fix Windows images and installation files. This scan also might take some time, but it's very powerful for solving hidden system issues. After running both the SFC and DISM scans, restart your computer once again. Now method 3. Let's check if a recent Windows update is causing the problem. Go to Settings, then Windows Update and select Update History. If you notice an update installed recently before the error started happening, you might want to uninstall it. To do that, click Uninstall Updates, find the problematic one, right-click it, and choose Uninstall. After installing, restart your computer and see if the problem is resolved. Still having trouble? Let's move on to method 4. Update your drivers. Open Device Manager by pressing Windows key X and selecting it from the list. Look for any devices with a yellow triangle next to them. That usually means there is a problem. Right-click the device and select Update Driver. For graphics card, network adapters, and audio drivers especially, it's a good idea to visit the manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers manually. Now let's perform a clean boot. A clean boot starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs, which can help you find out if background software is causing the issue. Press Windows R, type msconfig, and hit Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services at the bottom. Then click Disable All. Next, go to the Startup tab and open Task Manager. Disable all startup items, then restart your computer. If the error disappears after a clean boot, it means some third-party software is behind it. You can enable services one by one to find the culprit. Bonus tip, sometimes malware or virus infections can cause the error too. Make sure your antivirus is up to date and run a full system scan just to be safe. If you don't have a reliable antivirus, Windows Defender is good enough for a full scan. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Windows tutorials. If you are still facing issues or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.